Hi, in this video we're going to figure out how to get your Facebook Business Manager ID. It's also called the Facebook Business ID or your Meta Business ID. To do that, I will type in business.facebook.com and then I'll select the business portfolio I need the ID of. So I've selected this business. Next, I will head to settings. So the UI has updated since the last years. That's why as soon as you head to settings, you again have to go to the business manager settings. It's the cogwheel icon here with an external link icon. And then we head to the old UI. We let this page load. Now again on the left bar, scroll down, go to business info, and here you go. You now have the Facebook Business Manager ID. This helps when you're doing any appeals for the business, if your WhatsApp business account is banned, or any other issue. A quicker way to get this ID is also, as soon as you land on this page, you will notice that the URL also has this ID. So either way, you can just copy this and then share it with Meta or the relevant POC. Bye bye.